Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about the e-commerce. Did you know the way we shop continue to evolve at a breaknecking speed? Did you know that in 2023, a staggering 83% of all e-commerce sales were conducted through mobile device? This trend highlights the ever-increasing importance of a seamless online shopping experience. Today, we will be exploring the exciting world of e-commerce and the strategies to win in this mobile-first era. These are the content. First is the definition, the unique features of e-commerce, types of e-commerce, major trends, and e-commerce as a evolutionary technology. First is the definition. E-commerce can be formally defined as a digital enabled commercial transaction between and among organizations and individuals. This definition uh, highlights several key factors. First is the digital enrollment. Transactions are facilitated by digital technologies like the internet, the website, or the mobile device. Second is the commerce or the commercial transaction. This involves the exchange of value, typically money, for products and services. This distinction separate e-commerce from non-e-commerce era.
We come to the second part of our presentation, unique features of e-commerce. E-commerce technologies make it possible for merchants to know much more about consumers and to be able to use this information more effectively than was ever true in the past. There are eight important features of e-commerce and I will show you each of them and explain briefly. The first one is a ubiquity. Ubiquity means everywhere at all time. It makes the traditional market, which is a physical place, to become a market space on the internet, extends the shop beyond geographic location. Moreover, for the buyers, e-commerce reduces the cost, time, and effort to take part in a market and make shopping more convenient. The second is global reach. Global reach means commercial transactions to cross cultural, regional, and national boundaries. Thanks to this feature, market size now is equal to the size of the world's online population. The third one is the universal standard or the technical standard of the internet. It lowers market entry cost and reduce searching costs to create a single market space. Richness is the fourth feature and presents the complexity and content of the message. There were a trade-off between the richness and reach in traditional market. The larger the audience are, the less rich the message shows. E-commerce technologies have the potential for offering more information richness than traditional media. E-commerce technology also allow for interactivity and allow an online merchant to engage a consumer. The buyers can interact with the seller through comment, like, share features, or direct message. The last one is information density. Information density is the total amount and quality of information available. It reduces information collections, storage, processing, and communication costs, and increase the currency, accuracy, and timeliness of information. Moreover, the buyer will find the price and cost more transparent, while the online merchants can discover much more about the consumer. Personalization is also one of the most important features of e-commerce. E-commerce technologies permit personalization and customization. And the final one is a social technology. It allows users to create and share content with a worldwide community to create new social networks and strengthen existing ones. They are all of the unique features of e-commerce. Let's move to the next part of our presentation.
Now, let's take a look at the types of e-commerce. There are six types of e-commerce. The first one is business to consumer, known as B2C platform. It is the most prevalent form of online retail where businesses sell products or services directly to individual consumers. This model is characterized by user-friendly interfaces, secure payment gateways, product reviews, personalized recommendation, and efficient logistics for deliveries. Examples of successful B2C platforms include Amazon, Flipkart, and Sephora, and others as you can see on the videos here. Next is the B2B business to business e-commerce. This model facilitates transactions between businesses, typically involving the sale of products or services from one business to another. This model is characterized by features such as bulk ordering, customized pricing, negotiated contract, and integration with enterprise software. So we can see this successful with Alibaba, India Mark, and Thomas Ness, for example. Another type is consumer to consumer C2C e-commerce. This model enables individuals consumers to buy and sell products or services directly to other consumers, with the platform acting as an intermediary. The platform typically offers features such as user rating and review, secure payment system, and tools for negotiating prices, like eBay, OLX, and Craigslist. Mobile e-commerce or m-e-commerce refer to the buying and selling of goods and services through wireless handheld devices such as smartphones and tablets. Key features of m-commerce include mobile-optimized website and app, seamless payment gateways, location-based services, and personalized experiences such as Amazon's mobile app, Flipkart's grocery app, and other various food delivery apps. Next is social e-commerce, refers to the integration of e-commerce activities with social media platforms, leveraging the power of social networks and user interaction. This model allows businesses to engage with consumers, showcase products, and facilitate transactions directly to social media channels such as Facebook Shop, Instagram Shopping, and live streaming commerce platforms such as TikTok or Amazon Live. The last type is loyal e-commerce, also known as loyalty e-commerce, focuses on retaining and rewarding existing customers through loyalty program, personalized experiences, and exclusive offers. Key features of this including customer profiling, data-driven personalization, and seamless integration with e-commerce platform. So that's all of six types of e-commerce. So let's move to the next part.
First is a mobile takes the center stage. Our phones are glued to our hands, and that's impacting how we shop. Data shows a surge in mobile app usage, with consumers comfortable with buying anything from groceries to gadgets right from their smartphone and tablets. This trend is going to grow stronger. Retailers need to take notes to prioritize user-friendly apps and mobile-optimized websites. Next is the personalization. This is going to be a big boost due to artificial intelligence. using data analysis to personalize your shopping journey. Imagine seeing targeted product recommendations, dynamic pricing on items you really want, and even chatbot offering real-time support. This allows for targeted advertising, personalized product bundles, and loyalty programs that resonate with each individual. Next is a creator economy. The future is about trust and authenticity. User-generated content, or UGC, is influencing buying decisions more than ever. Consumers trust recommendations from creators and online communities they follow. This represents a golden opportunity for brands to partner with relevant creators for engaging an authentic marketing campaign. Next, we will have the B2B goes digital. It's not about it's not just about us consumers. Business to business or B2B e-commerce is booming. The efficiency and convenience of online transactions are driving the trends. Expect more B2B platforms offering streamlined ordering processes, secure payment options, and real-time inventory tracking. However, the privacy is also in the spotlight. As we spend more time, data privacy is becoming a major concern. Consumers are increasingly aware of data tracking, and stricter regulations are on the horizon. Businesses need to adapt with transparent data practices and build trust by respecting user privacy. Lastly, we have the human cost of convenience. The rise of on-demand services comes with a responsibility to ensure fair treatment of workers. The convenience for us shouldn't come at the expense of job quality and workers' rights. Governments and businesses need to work together to create a sustainable future for the e-commerce workforce.
Okay, so now let's go to part 5, e-commerce as a revolutionary technology. Although e-commerce is not very old, it already has a tumultuous history which can be usefully divided into three periods: invention, consolidation, and reinvention. The early years of e-commerce were a technological success, with the digital infrastructure created during the period solid enough to sustain significantly growth in e-commerce during the next decade, and mixed business success with significant revenue growth and customer usage but low profit margins. E-commerce entered the period of consolidation beginning in 2001 and extending to 2006. E-commerce entered a period of reinvention in 2007 with the emergence of the mobile platform, social networks, and web applications that attracted huge audiences in a very short time span. In summary, e-commerce nowadays is growing into a competitive audience-focused market controlled by extensive government surveillance. Technology enables a more diverse market: social, local, and mobile e-commerce combining retail services and content. From pure online strategies, firms are making its extension of bricks and clicks in traditional retail market. You can see more clearly in our table analysis here. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening. Hope that we can provide useful information to you guys.